Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by verifying identity and linking a payment method. This speeds withdrawals later. Once done, open Quotex demo to learn the interface, then switch to live with a small deposit like $10, $50 so you don't overexpose. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for security. While you fund the account, draft a simple trading plan that specifies asset classes, timeframes, and risk per trade. This keeps you consistent and prevents emotional decisions when trades move against you. Now focus on the how. Pick 1-3 assets and a time frame you can follow daily. You'll use indicators like EMA and RSI to time entries. Once you see agreement across signals, place a trade. Make sure to set stop loss and take profit before you execute so emotions don't change your plan. Also confirm order type and calculate position size to match your predefined risk percentage. If volatility spikes, reduce size or wait. Discipline beats guessing when the market is noisy. To finish a session, close active trades and record outcomes in your journal. Analyze wins and losses weekly so you learn patterns. Once you've proven consistency, withdraw a small profit to confirm payment processing, then scale deposits gradually. If something goes wrong, like a failed withdrawal or locked account, first recheck verification documents and two-factor settings, then contact Quotex support with screenshots and ticket details. If trades look wrong, compare platform records to your screenshots to speed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.